G'day everyone, welcome back to Pete's Investing. It's December 5th, 2023. This is the nat gas price update. As you can see here, we're on our weekly, we're going sideways. Daily, we're broken to the downside. We took below our moving average on the 400, CCI 400. And on the hourly, we're still potentially playing out a divergence. So look at these in detail. First off, on the weekly, we've got the CCI 400. It's ever so slightly bullish, but trending sideways, I'd say. Likewise, a CCI 150, that's our divergence indicator. You can see there the CCI 150 had a couple of bearish divergence, and they played out nicely during those weeks when it declined, and then eventually did fall and fell well below the 100% level. And more recently, we see here we've bounced off that 23% level of this smaller Fibonacci, well, this wider Fibonacci range, and still declining. Now, we haven't made new lows yet, but it may be heading that way and threatening that support level down there. On the daily, you can see there the CCI 400 is broken below its moving average, and the moving averages as well are turned negative. So that's a bearish signal. The CCI 150 has also continued its downtrend, no sign of a reversal. And you can see here on the this Fibonacci range, we did project this bearish divergence versus the price. It fell off, hit our target, and actually broken down. And in our last video, it was broken below the 50% level, and today you can see there it's resting right on that 61%. And I always say the 61% is a key area, so we may possibly get a bounce from there, or if it breaks through there, we're going to see a lot more bearish outlook. But there's no sign of a reversal. There's no divergence on the CCI 150, so not looking great at the moment for any potential upside. On the hourly chart, we did have this minor support at 27.58. It was resting there on our previous video, but it's broken well below that. And I'm going to move that down to that level there. That's our new minor support. But notice we've still got a bullish divergence playing out. So long as that CCI 150 remains above that level there, we're going to consider that a bullish divergence. However, notice on the CCI 400, our trend indicator is still declining and possibly breaking again up, but again, we need to see the price bounce. And if that happens, we did have a target level placed previously to look out for on the 61%, but if that does bounce from there, we're going to expect a minimum retrace. I'll take it to that level as a Fibonacci level. So minimum target level will be between the 23% to 38%, and key to look out for, if it breaks above that 61%, that's going to be a potential trade change of reversal, trend reversal. So that's our initial target, and we'll see how far it goes. And if it does break above that as a potential trend reversal, again, for this to fail, we need to see it break below this level down here. So at the moment, looking pretty bearish on the nat gas price, although we may see a bit of a retrace in the short term. Now, what we've got as well, we did have started showing you these other shares, the ProShares Ultra, DJ, UBS, natural gas. So you can see there, that's also showing a bearish movement on the CCI 150 on the daily. The CCI 400 is still bullish slightly, so that price is still falling in alignment with the natural gas price, obviously, so that's still making further lows. And you can see there we did have a potential reversal, and that's now still questionable whether it will reverse. The United States Natural Gas Fund, that's UNG. You can see there on the weekly it's broken to the downside. On the daily, likewise, it's broken below its moving averages. And the CCI 150 as well, it's fallen off a cliff basically, so a lot more bearish outlook so far. There's still a potential of a bullish divergence. You can see there, if I pull that forward, that point there, for this divergence to fail, we need to see that drop below there, but at the moment it's still in play, so I'm going to leave that in there. However, the CCI 400 is still falling off, so let's wait and see. That could be a support level which we look out for. Lastly, the ProShares Ultra Short Bloomberg Nat Gas price at KOLD. So this is going in reverse, obviously. So we've got here a slightly neutral to bullish movement on the weekly, bullish on the daily, and on our CCI 150. Got a bullish divergence. It actually had a double bottom down there. It bounced and it's still making new highs. It's broken up through this resistance, and we're going to raise that resistance now to that level there. So we may see a bit of a pullback possibly. You can see there we've got a bearish divergence on the CCI 150 on the hourly, and that could well bounce down from there. But at the moment the CCI 400 is still trending up, but if that continues to the downside, then we're going to see this pullback. And in terms of price action, in terms of target area, we're going to draw that level there between that 23% and that 38% level. And again, there's that 61%. If it drops below that, it could be a reversal. So as long as that CCI 150 remains below that level, then we're going to see further this divergence potentially playing out. So that's where we are with all the natural gas prices and shares. Feel free to subscribe and hit that like button, hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in a future video.